Hello children, welcome to my video number 87 and I am going to discuss question answers of this lesson, the chocolate cream soldier. So let's begin. Let us see what questions are given at the back of the chapter here. So the first one, an extract based. The extract is, I never saw anything so unprofessional. First question, who said this and to whom? This is said by the chocolate cream soldier to Raina. What was the unprofessional thing? The unprofessional thing was that a regiment of cavalry was asked to make a charge, to make an attack on the regiment which was equipped with guns and pistols. That was unprofessional. Who did the unprofessional thing? The Bulgarian soldiers headed by Sergius, who was the leader of the cavalry, did the unprofessional thing, and he also was the fiancé of Raina. Next one we have under B, question 1. According to the chocolate cream soldier, what are the two ways of telling if a soldier is experienced or inexperienced? Now, according to the chocolate cream soldier, an experienced soldier is the old soldier, and inexperienced soldiers are the young soldiers. Now, it can be easily make out the difference because an experienced soldier always carry food in his holster. Holster is a bag in which is meant to carry handguns, and whereas inexperienced soldiers carry pistols and cartridges in their holster. So that is the difference between an experienced soldier and inexperienced soldier. Next one, question number 2 we have, under what circumstances did the cavalry charge led by Sergius succeed? Now, the answer of this is the cavalry charge led by Sergius succeeded as luck favored them. The luck was that the enemy troop could not fire gunshots as their cartridges failed at the last moment. So the cavalry charge was successful in defeating the enemies. Third question, why is Raina so eager to hear about the cavalry charge? Now we know that Raina is eager to hear about cavalry charge because the cavalry charge that was being discussed about was led by her fiancé named Sergius. So she was eager to know how bravely Sergius fought on the battlefield. That's why she eagerly waited to hear about the cavalry charge. Next one, to what does the chocolate cream soldier compare the cavalry charge? Now, the chocolate cream soldier compared the cavalry charge with throwing a handful of peas against a window pane. In that, the first pea comes and hit the pane, the window pane, then behind him come 2 or 3 other peas, and then the rest in a lump. So he has compared the soldiers with peas here in the lesson. So that is the comparison made here by the chocolate cream soldier. Question number 5 we have, why does the chocolate cream soldier say that Sergius ought to be court-martialed? Now, according to the chocolate cream soldier, Sergius, being a leader, shouldn't have ordered his soldiers to march ahead and attack the enemy who were well equipped with guns and pistols. So it was, according to him, it was the maddest thing for a cavalry without guns to attack the enemy. That is why he says that Sergius ought to be court-martialed. Court-martialed means he was to brought before the court and the case should be levied on him. Next one, question number 6. The chocolate cream soldier is extremely exhausted, so he prefers death over having to move his limbs. Support this statement with evidence from the text. Now, this we know that he was so much tired and had not slept from a long time. So this is evident here in this part of the lesson. You see here, he says here, no, capture only means death, and death is sleep. Oh, sleep, 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 undisturbed sleep. So this shows that he prefers death over escaping from there. So that is what you will write down here in the answer, as they are asking for the evidence from the text. So you will copy those lines. Next one, why does Raina call the enemy soldier a chocolate cream soldier? Now, Raina calls the enemy soldier as a chocolate cream soldier because the enemy soldier loved chocolates and he ate every bit of chocolate offered to him by Raina. And Raina also felt very pity for him, the way he ate all the chocolates. That is why she called him chocolate cream soldier. Next one, question 8 we have, why does he tell Raina to keep away from the window as he climbed down the pipe? Now, this, the enemy soldier, the chocolate cream soldier, he really respected the lady, respected Raina for doing so much for him, for letting him hide in his house, in her house. So he felt that she should not be harmed in any ways. That's why he asked Raina to keep away from the window as he climbed down the pipe, because the Bulgarian soldiers would, if they would see the enemy soldier, they would fire gunshots. So the chocolate cream soldier wanted to make sure that no harm is faced by Raina, and the gunshot should not touch or should not hit Raina. That's why he asked Raina to keep away from the window. So these are all the answers of the questions given here, which you are going to write down in your copies. And after writing a short summary, as you have been doing in all the lessons, after writing short summary of the lesson, write down these word meanings in the book, in the notebook, and then question answers that we have just discussed in your notebook. So students, still here, this is the last video of our course book. So take care everybody, and all the best for your exams, and God bless you all.